Are you ready to learn ice climbing in one of the most stunning places on Ladakh? Join us for our basic ice climbing course level 1 in Ladakh 2025. This 8-day course will teach you everything you need to know to get started with ice climbing. The course is available on 3 dates: January 15th to 22nd, January 29th to February 5th, and February 11th to 18th, 2025. You'll learn how to pick the right gear for climbing and how to stay safe and comfortable in cold weather. Learn the best way to dress for the cold with our clothing and layering tips. Master the basics of rope work and knots, key skills for climbing safely. Learn how to use your ice tools and crampons to climb the ice with confidence. Get the hang of basic ice climbing movements so you can climb smoothly and safely. Practice belaying and rappelling on ice, important skills for climbing up and down safely. You'll also learn how to place ice screws and build anchors to stay secure during your climb. And most importantly, we'll teach you self-rescue skills to keep you safe in any situation. By the end of the course, you'll feel confident and ready to take on more ice climbing adventures. Our instructors are all certified mountain guides with plenty of experience. You'll get lots of personal attention with a 1:2 instructor-to-student ratio. Spaces are limited, so book your course today. For more info, visit our website or email us. We can't wait to see you on the ice.